Well, we got the train in the background. Beautiful little creek in the foreground here close to me. And we got the 2-weight. Kind of jammed into this rod holder on my bike. That's a gun sheath and a sword. Well, I decided to come down here today because it's the only spot I can find where the wind really isn't wreaking havoc on the water. And I wanted to get out and do a little bit of nice, easy dry fly fishing. So on here I have a big old huge ant tied on, homemade. And we're gonna work this water just after the back of these couple ducks here. We're gonna work this section, working our way on down and around and see what we can get. We might change up to something else because there is quite a few hatches going on with the temperatures that we're getting right now. So with any luck, we'll have a couple fish in the net today. So this is that super cheap setup with the antique fishing reel on the bargain bin, $60 I think it was, somewhere in there, fly rod. It's the White River. The line I think costs more than the rod, which I think is about normal for fly rods. And we're gonna work along that bank over there in hopes that I can get the mend on it a little better. I may need to hit those areas I just went through there again. Alright, so I got a size, I want to say 18 emerger pattern, just black with a little bit of foam, being trailed, well, basically like a dropper, just running 2 dries basically. Got the ant pattern, and then I got this emerger down below. And I'm gonna run these through that same spot right there where those fish are surfacing. Let's see if that emerger will do the trick. I'm hooked all over myself here. I need to get that undone off the grass. And we'll see if we can get one. There we go. Oh. We wanted the emerger. What am I gonna do to make that fish go more active? We're just gonna take and cut the foam off the emerger. Something I don't show very often is on these emergers I always tie the foam a little long. So in cases like right now, this fish is being really finicky over there, I'm gonna go ahead and cut half of it off. Just to make it sink a little faster, or be just below the surface just ever so much more. And we'll see if doing that can fool that fish that's over there. Ooh. There we go. Got it. That's a nice fish. Let me get a hold of the right string. Very nice fish. I knew if I cut that emerger down a little bit, I knew it would work. Oh yeah. What a beaut. What a beauty. Let's get the dehooker in there. hook. Look at that beautiful little rainbow. Later, friend. So there was one on that emerger. I had to cut it down to make it work. Let's see if we can fool another one. Sizable fish just surfaced right there. You think we can? Let's go upriver of this fish. Oh, it missed the emerger. I don't necessarily know if that was the same fish, but I was just seeing either. There we go. Oh.
You have any left?
One.
You got one?
Yep, about 5 inches long. I know they're in here. I can see they're surfacing occasionally.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look, you got one.
Oh, yeah, you do.
Yeah, I was talking to you and just cast over there and caught the one I was trying to catch when I was looking. Oh.
Dang, I need to get my license.
Yeah, they keep raising the price on it.
On the license?
Yeah.
What is it now?
For me, it cost me $85.
Really?
I get 2 rod and small game.
For in-state?
Yeah, resident and everything. Like it's kind of ridiculous. Pretty soon it's going to be $100 or more.
Yeah.
On the little fish. But all of these, I don't know. I don't keep these fish because when I was a kid, I used to fish in here and catch good fish.
Right.
And now as an adult, I fish in here and like I deal with all this trash.
Right.
So I just try to leave them alone. There's better places to get better fish in the real river.
Oh yeah.
Down here it's kind of like I just come down here for fun.
Yeah.
I got this 2-weight fly rod. It's like whippy as ever.
Yeah.
It's fun, you know. It's just for enjoyment.
Oh yeah. Cool. I don't see what it's going to cost. And you pay $85 for a license?
Yeah, it was like 80 something like that. And that's I get the 2 rod stamp.
Oh, 2 rod, yeah.
And then I also do the small game. Because I eat squirrels, doves, pigeons, and all kinds of weird things.
Oh, no wonder, yeah.
Yeah, I have fun.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh. Got it this time. Look at that one. That's a nice fish right there. Nice little fish. Oh, he spit the hook. And we ran it into him. Come here. Come here, little buddy. Yeah, the tiny little thing it came on.
Dang.
Little itty bitty. Not real itty bitty.
Yeah.
Like I've got smaller ones out of here. They're like 5 inches long.
Yeah.
But they're pretty to look at, you know.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And off it goes. we go. That's a good one there. On that emerger. And the net. That's a tiny little rainbow right there. Later, buddy. Get out of here. That darn de-hooking tool is no fun. On top and then over. Alright, just remember that. Right on the reeds. There we go. That's even better. Trying to get the emerger. There we go. Nice. Good fish. Oh, lost it. That fish has got it figured out. It knows how to get away. There's a nice one right there. Oh, come here, little buddy. In the net. In the net. Oh, yeah. I do not like. Got it off the hook. Another beautiful rainbow right there. Get on out of here, little friend. There we go. Knew if I ran that emerger right down in front, we'd end. Oh, we got that one halfway. We still got everything. Let's check. Everything's looking fine there. Can't even get a hold of the line. This is 7X, by the way. Feeling good. Feeling good, looking good. Fishing strong. Fishing strong. Well, it seems to be that this 2-weight is being more effective than the whatever weight I had the other day, 3-4 or yeah, it's a 3-4 weight. Way more effective than that one at getting these small flies in position and being ready to get a fish. The size and the action of this thing just makes it like almost perfect dry fly fishing. So let's just keep making our way around here, see if we can find a few more fish to add to the list today. I had to retie up with another olive emerger, still below that B ant pattern. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Oh. Here we go. Another nice trout. Easy, little buddy, easy. Oh, oh, oh. Have it. Later, friend. Get out of here. Another good fish here. Another good fish. Come on, little buddy. You're spooking all your friends. Good sized fish right there. Beautiful little rainbow. Get out of here, buddy. Thought that was the fly for a second. So what we're getting them on now is an olive emerger. Still probably looks black to them in the water, but it's got just a triangle piece of foam up top, size 20. Off the hook and another pretty rainbow. Later, friend. Olive emerger. Alright, made the change up to a Perdigon. This one's got a little bit of ostrich, I think. Tackle around the front. Let's see how well this works. Didn't have the camera on. That figures. Well, look at this. What a specimen. Over here, this fish is huge. come on now. Where'd you put my fly? There it is. Off the pretty gun. Look at that puppy. Let's see, 10 and almost 5. 14 and a half. Nice and feisty. On that White River fly rod. Later, friend. Well, thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing today. This video has been kind of a mix-up. Just the same place, just here and there, all around the different little canal. Catching a bunch of little rainbow trout, hoping to find something else in there that wasn't a rainbow. But the 2-weight was doing its job today. Even worked well on nymphing. So we'll have to go ahead and give it a try in a few other places later on and see how well it can handle bigger fish. Until then, keep on fishing.